The is operator as an identity operator in Python programming language tests for sameness of its operands in memory locations in the computer. Given A and B are two operands, the is operator is used to test if an operand A is an operand B. It returns true if and only if A is B. That is, if the two operands A and B belong to the same memory location. In true sense, the is operator tests if the two operands or objects are located in the same memory location in the computer. And this is example 1. Girl is girl, and the output is true because yes, girl is girl. And example 2, girl is BO plus Y. So this is a typical example of how many operators can appear in one expression. But by precedence rule, the arithmetic operator has higher precedence than the identity operators, and it shall be operated first. So after evaluation, this very expression will evaluate to boy because it is a concatenation. BO plus Y is a concatenation that will result to boy. So let's read it again. Girl is boy, and the output is false. Again, this is example 3. 5 is 2 plus 3, and the output is true because after evaluation of 2 plus 3, the value is 5. So it is as if you are asking the computer 5 is 5, and the output is true. And example 4, school is market, and the output is false. Example 5, school is SCH plus OOL. This is a concatenation which after evaluation the value is school. So reading it again, school is school, and the output is true. Yes, school is school. So this is about the is operator as an identity operators. The next video is going to be on the is not operator.